live.
Hi birdies, we're live today with a very special deal. You get the chance to win back your order. Yes, we are giving away 5 orders today. So if you shop today, anytime today, you go in the draw or you go in the chance to win back your order. So the bigger the better, I'd say. Bigger order, better win.
That's true.
Anyway, so we've got 3 of the good old OGs here. Oh. I'm probably the only OG anyway. No goats this week.
Just you, Sandy.
Yeah, just me. I'm the old goat. So we've got lots of new stock landed in the nest, and today we're going to show you some of our new things. So I'm pretty excited. I have 2 new, well, the pants are original. It's got a new colour, I think, and this gorgeous new top. So this is all from Boho Bird, the I Need You in My Life pants, which I'm sure if any of you have already got them out there, you know that you do need these pants in your life. And just letting you know, I have sized down in these pants. So I'm wearing a size 8 in the I Need You in My Life, and I think, yeah, Gab's coming on next and she's got a pair on as well. So, and I don't know what, Chelsea's behind the camera, she's going to tell us what this jumper is.
Yeah, so like Sandy was saying, it's Boho Bird. It's called the Clear Skies Balloon Sleeve Cotton Blend Cardi, and it's $89.95. And like Sandy said, the pants are Need You in My Life cotton pants, and they're $149.95.
Yeah, great pants. Can't speak highly enough of them. They've got a flat front, little bit of pleating here, elastic back, pockets.
Loads of colours.
Yeah,
there's like
heaps
6
of
or
colours,
so.
and they come in a cord as well. So yeah, great pants. And this little cardi, have to say, very cute, and I think quite versatile. You could actually wear a turtleneck under this, or a white shirt or something like that as well. And because it's cotton, yeah, it is very, very easy on the skin. Feels delicious.
Yeah, there's 3 colours in it too. Yeah, there's
so
chocolate. That's sand, I believe, and then there's chocolate and dream green.
There you go. Dream green. Who's next? Oh, Mom. I have to say, this colour is looking really amazing on you, Gab.
I put this on and I was like, it doesn't feel like my colours, but everyone was telling me.
I actually think it is. Yeah.
I'm going to have to start.
And look at you in the I Need You in My Life.
These are in, yes, I'm 175 centimetres. I'm wearing a size 20 in the I Need You in My Life, and I think in extra large in the top, I feel like.
Let me have a look.
Maybe just extra large.
Oh. Extra.
Extra.
And I'm going to leave you because I'm going to change.
It's the 3 Wingbird's debacle. It's always a quick change here.
Yeah.
Take me through the top first.
Yeah, okay, so it's natural for birds. It's the linen, Caro, help me out, lyocell? Lyocell textured knit tee. It's $99.95. And the pants, they're the same as what Sandy just had on, like she was saying. So Need You in My Life cotton pants, $149.95. They come in sizes 8 through 22, and they're 97% cotton.
And that's the cocoa.
No, I think I'm in the tan.
2 are in the tan. I'm sorry. Because there's 3 new colours. And
Yes, so
that's
there's
the tan one.
a tan, a wheat, and a cocoa.
Yes.
I have the tan on.
Yes. Oh no, I think you had the wheat on.
Sandy had wheat.
Sandy had wheat. I'm in tan. There's also a classic black and white, and then a cocoa, which is like a rich, chocolatey browny colour.
Yeah.
Let's go with that.
And lyocell is like a tencel. It's like tencel, so it's just silky smooth, like
it's incredibly
beautiful,
soft,
smooth. Yeah.
It also, I think this comes in an olive green as well. It's a very, very versatile knit top to have. Just a gorgeous fit.
Yeah.
Like, not tight on your arms. Like sometimes knit sleeves are tricky.
It looks really nice on you, Gab.
It's quite good. And I think it's one of the things of like, us snowbirds could probably wear this 365 days of the year. Easy to layer. You can put blazers and stuff over it, or a denim jacket. But also in summer, I feel like this.
Yeah.
It's breathable. We don't get that.
It's cinching you nicely.
It's all the pants. I feel like
Oh.
when we talk about the Need You in My Life, there's a reason that we can't get enough of them. I feel like there's no Wingbird we've met yet that doesn't love Need You in My Life pants. Caroline's coming on in 2 favourites, and I'm going to tap you out.
Happy International Chocolate Day to all the birdies that celebrate.
Woo!
We did, didn't we?
We sure did. We probably will continue to celebrate.
Well, let's be honest.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry,
Sandy hasn't had any yet.
I'm in Natural for Birds on the top and Bird Keepers on the bottom.
Yes. Bird keepers. Yeah, so the pants are called, the cape is called pull-on wide leg pant. They're $99.95. They're 98% cotton. They also come in a dark cocoa, but I think you have the navy on, I think, Caro. Yes, and we've matched it with the Natural for Birds linen oversized boyfriend shirt. It's $139.95 and it's 100% linen.
Yes. So it's an all year style, this shirt. And I haven't worn it tucked in, but it's because it's a long line, so I think I'm allowed to get away with it. But
The pants have structure.
and the pants have structure. So the Keepers pull-on cord pant is a very, very, very popular style and comes in lots and lots of colourways, but it's a very slim leg, like fitted style, that cord pant. So Keepers released the wide leg version in 2 colours. And let's be honest, it's called wide leg, but it's only that it's wider than the original version. I wouldn't call this a wide leg.
Yeah, it's kind of like straight leg.
But for birdies that love straight legs, this is really, really a good style. Excuse me. I'm 184 centimetres tall and I'm wearing a size 14 in the pant and in the top, or am I in a large? 14, yeah, sorry. And yeah, so otherwise it has all the same qualities, like the same features as the other Keepers cord pull-on pant. So there aren't any front pockets in it. There are back patch pockets. But yeah, I really like the fit of it, and I quite like the length of it too.
Yes.
If you're a tall birdie, these pants might be a great one for you.
Yes. Caro, we have birdies saying it's chocolate day every day.
Good point. I like it. Now look at this pretty dress.
Now, Sandy, I'm going to say the magical word is reversible for this one.
So guess what? I've got to spin it around. See how I can get stuck in this one. But I have to say, I absolutely love this dress. So it is the most flattering style. It just really skims away. So it's got this like it's not a pleat, but it looks pleated. It's the illusion of the ombre in the skirt. So, is it called an ombre dress?
It is the reversible ombre knit dress.
Yeah, so it goes from the really dark, almost midnight navy to a lighter navy down to the white, and I've just put a nude shoe on. I did have to cream my legs. They're very dry. Haven't had our legs out for a while here in Cooma, but it is reversible. So for the girls with a bigger bust, perfect with the V at the front, or let's see what we can do here.
We
Do you want me
love
to
it.
start?
Well,
let's see
Sandy's
how we
spinning
go.
it around.
Oh, no. Here we go.
It is
I'm going to
139.
block you. You'll go viral if I show you.
There's a lot of leg going on behind. You've got it.
This is so good. There you go.
The only thing that's happened here is the tags at the front, but it's okay, you can cut that out. So, hang on, Rena, let's stick that under my arm.
Oh my god.
Oh, hang on. Look at that. Reversible with a tag. Let's just put the tag down the bra. How's that?
Gorgeous.
So, see at the back?
I quite like to be at the back.
Yeah, I like it too. So you just unstitch the little bit of the tag at the front, but it is a reversible dress and perfect. So if you have a little blazer, so that you're not competing with too many necklines, blazer would look great with this. You dress it up or down as well. You could probably put a denim jacket with this as well. So yeah, very cute.
So cute. So it's $139.95. It's by Bird by Design. And again, it's the reversible ombre knit dress. Gorgeous.
And I'm 165 centimetres tall, and I'm wearing the small, or is it a 10? Do they go small? Yes,
Small.
Small.
You're getting lots of love hearts for this one, Sandy.
I love.
Love.
Yeah, look, I did the love.
And if you buy it today,
That's
you
very-
could go in the draw to win back your order.
105 orders. Won't change.
I'm in gorgeous boxwood jumper, Rena cowgirl era. with hot
So
colours.
cute, Gab.
Give you the details at the top.
What's that say there? Howdy Studio. Oh, gorgeous. Okay,
I was like, I can't read that.
so the shirt's
Upside
called
down.
Bend Boots Cotton Long Sleeve Tee. It's $59.95, coming in sizes 8 through 22, and it's 100% cotton, Gab.
It is just like a gorgeous fit. It's one of those, again, I think us snowbirds would wear this year round. Lightweight, but still keeping you a bit warm. Long sleeves. Sandy off screen was just like, you gotta ruche them up.
I also liked it with the tuck as well, Gab.
Yes, I did the tuck into your bra hat. And if you just tuck into your bra, then it sits. If your shirt's long enough, we'll do a tutorial on that one day. And then these are the wacky jeans that everyone has fallen in love with. I'm gonna say go bold here. The ruby barrel.
Yes, ruby pocket barrel jean, $79.95. Pretty
So,
inexpensive.
Elastic all the way around. Drawstring cinch you in. Front pockets, and just a really, really nice fit. I feel like they're in lots of colours as well, I'm going to pretend.
Four colours.
Four
We've got
colours.
white, sand, I think. Oh no, khaki, sorry, and pink red.
Yeah, so a gorgeous pair of jeans that we've fallen in love with. I feel like wacky, the go-to for a lot of us.
Gorgeous.
Caroline's going to come in with another pair of our go-to jeans.
Yeah.
3, 2,
I'm back. I'm being boho.
Yes. Oh, it looks so cute.
Thanks ever so.
It's the Shine Your Light Velvet shirt. Wow, I didn't even recognise it as velvet, Caro.
Yes, it sort of looks like corduroy when I'm corduroy.
Corduroy.
I get teased for the way I pronounce the word. It looks like corduroy from across the room.
It really
but
does.
It's actually cord velvet.
Wow, it's so cute.
Yeah.
So it's $89.95, and we've paired it with your fave Happy Me wide leg jeans.
That's right. This shirt comes in 2 different colours as well. And again, this would be a year-round style. It's actually almost sheer. I'm not going to be demonstrating that for you. But yeah, it's. I don't know if you can see through that. But it's actually super, super lightweight, super, super soft. But you could, I mean, obviously, especially with the colour, it looks very wintry, but it is light enough that you could wear it outside of the year as well. It's got elasticated cuffs, so and I would absolutely be pushing them up. I have very long arms too, so they're probably not as long as I would want them, but that's okay because that's not how I would wear it. I'd actually like to bunch it up, but yeah,
gorgeous,
I
Caro.
and I love the colour of it. Yeah,
The birdies are loving you in
the other colour
this.
is a dusty rose, I think, and it's really, really pretty colour too. And they've just got a bit of a sheen to them. So I've obviously styled it down with my denim, but you could take it out for dinner.
Yeah, you could take it out for dinner.
Absolutely, you could.
You're getting lots of love hearts, Caro.
Oh, thank
They're
you.
loving it. They're saying love the shirt.
Yeah,
More.
Lovely. And also, I mean, I don't know if it's a no iron. I suspect it's probably a no iron style, but it's throw it into your suitcase style.
Yes.
It will survive the trip. So, destination special event. Here's the shirt.
This shirt. Gorgeous.
Sandy's practicing doing a
I'm practicing her.
I'm doing the
age
love heart, but my face is going.
You're getting so many love hearts, Sandy. Show us more.
Hang on, let's hide the other.
Birdies, give us more.
I nearly got it.
Yes, Lily.
Anyway, look at this skirt.
Gorgeous.
Look, I feel like I'm the, dance emoji.
Yes. Getting
In my
so
workwear.
many.
So this is, again, let's just go this way.
You're getting so many.
Because I can do this one. So I'm in, again, Bird by Design.
Yes, that's
I
right.
think I'm in 10 and a small. Is that, would I be?
Yes, you're in a 10.
So again, remembering 165 centimetres small.
Small.
Oh God. Anyway, it's only like what, 2:30? But, and Tuesday. 165 centimetres tall, not small.
I'm dead.
I love it.
Oh, it's so good. So the skirt is called the Luxe Pleated Skirt. It's $149.95. And yes, it comes in sizes 8 through 22. So Sandy's in the 10. And we've paired it with Bird by Design, the Rib Knit Sweetheart Neck Top. It's $89.95.
And I think it comes in black.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, but this skirt only in this colour. this time. I feel like it's a real winner.
She'll come in many colours, I'm sure.
Yeah, because she's just so floaty.
Yeah, it's really flattering.
Come on in, Gab.
I've taken a bit of inspo from you and a bit of inspo from Caro.
The same cardi.
So I'm in the chocolat balloon sleeve something or other cardi.
Yeah, so it's called Clear Skies Balloon Sleeve Cotton Blend Cardi. And it's the chocolate. It's $89.95.
And then the Happy Me's that we all love.
I haven't seen you in the Happy Me's before. They look really good.
I quite like the Happy Me.
Yeah, so that's what Caro just had on as well.
You don't own them?
I feel like I'm going to need to buy them.
I think you might.
I'm not a jeans girl. I must say I wear linen 365 days of the year, even
on -3 mornings. Like
even on -3 mornings. I think legitimately was wearing linen this morning and regretted it when we got to work and it was
Yes, well,
-3.
I walked in a puffer, a vest, and 2 pairs of pants.
2 pairs of pants?
Yes, my tights and a pair of track pants.
Oh, no.
Gab, remind us what size you're in.
I'm in the 20 in the bottoms, the extra large in the cardi, and I'm 175 centimetres tall.
Gorgeous. And you got a little pop of colour sneaker there too.
Yeah.
My good soles.
Good soles.
They are my good soles. We're all converted on the red good soles.
Yes, I've got a pair too.
You've got a pair, Jane's got a pair,
Me.
Caro's got a red pair, Chelsea's got the cute little ballet red pairs.
Yes.
It's the pop of red theory.
They're Mary Jane's.
The Mary Janes with the strap.
Mary Jane.
Yeah.
But yes, pop of red.
Sandy. That.
Always makes you put together. Caro's going to come in on a gorgeous boho bird number.
Yes, this is lovely, Caro. Something for your height.
Yes.
Where was this in pop-up shops?
I know.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is brand new from Boho. I just cut me the name. I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
yes, sorry,
But
it's
over to you,
called.
Chelsea.
That's
Some
my
sort
job.
of Daisy in a 6-type dress.
It's folk. Oh, it's my. With
Oh, you were so
my
close.
folk, my folk.
It's called With My Loves Folk
Oh,
Maxi
there
Dress.
you go.
$179.95, coming in sizes 8 through 22.
And I'm in a size 14 in this one. And it's funny because when I walked in, I went, oh, I wonder if I ought to style down. It is deliberately generous, like it is a generous fit. So our designer always designs with freedom and flow in mind when she designs. So sometimes the dresses will be quite generous. But it actually isn't, like I don't feel like it's going to fall off me at all. So I'm in the 14.
It actually fits you in the shoulders really well.
Yeah. And it comes with a waist tie, but there aren't any belt loops, and I quite like that because I'm really quite long in the torso, and if there were belt loops, they would possibly be at the wrong point on me, although they might be with my new waist. It's okay.
That's right.
But yeah, so
But look at the back. So what's nice about this, see how it's got like a little scoop there? So it actually looks like it's intentional that you could wear it without a tie at all.
yes,
It's
yeah.
beautiful. And this front band through here as well.
So it does sort of have its own structure without being
Yeah.
cinched if you didn't want to do that way.
So it lends itself to wearing it with or without a tie.
It's got functional little row buttons down here and just the little tie. If you wanted to make it into a round neck situation for yourself, it has elasticated sleeves. But it's a really so comfy. I could eat as much chocolate as I wanted to, birdies, and you wouldn't ever know because I'm in such a comfy dress. And it's got pockets too.
And trans-seasonal.
Yeah, and it is absolutely a maxi because it's very long on me and I'm 6 feet tall. So
It would be very long on me.
yeah, it would be very long on Sunny, although it would be beautiful.
I would still
You
do
might not see
You
me
would.
just
You'd
sticking
put a
out
heel
quite so
on.
much.
I just float in.
You're getting lots of love hearts, Caro, in the dress.
Why does she do her heart so easy? She's so easy. What a
You should see Gab trying to
Oh, no, it makes me feel so old.
I know, it's
No way!
I'll
Come
just
on,
go back to
girls.
here.
Yeah, I feel like we go back to
Anyway, birdies, don't forget, it is giveaway day, so you could win your order back. Don't forget, shop till midnight tonight, and you go in the draw to win your order back.
Gosh, we've just been... Sorry, we've got one more question about the dress. It's called the With My Loves Folk Maxi Dress by Boho Bird.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Just arrived.
Just arrived, get shopping. You could be in the chance to win back your order. So,
Big day.
bye.
Bye, birdies.
See you.